In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a deep male voiceover in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. The first step you need to take is to visit the ElevenLabs website. If you already have an account, great. Just log in using your credentials. If you're new to ElevenLabs, it's super simple to get started. Just click on the Register button and follow the prompts to create your profile. Once you're in, you'll be ready to explore some amazing voiceover options. Next, let's move on to the text-to-speech feature, which is where the magic happens. You'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen. Look for the option that says Text-to-Speech and click on it. This will take you to a new interface where you can input your text and begin creating your voiceover. Now we need to select the right voice for your project. Look for the Voice Selection drop-down menu. This is usually located in the upper section of the interface. When you click it, you'll see a list of various voice options provided by ElevenLabs. Take a moment to browse through the available voices. For a deep male voice, you're going to want to check out options like Marcus or Knightley. These specific voices are designed to deliver that rich, deep tone that can make your audio stand out. So, go ahead and select one of these voices that resonates with the vibe you're aiming for. Once you've chosen your voice, it's time to fine-tune those settings. This is where you can really customize the sound to match your needs. Look for sliders that adjust parameters like stability and similarity. Moving these sliders will help you refine the depth and tone, making it more suited to your specific project. Play around with these settings a bit. There's no rush until you find the perfect balance. After you've got all your settings dialed in, it's time to input your text. This is the content you want the voice to read. Just type or paste it into the designated text field. Once you've done that, there might be a preview button available. You can use this to listen to how your deep male voice sounds with the text you've provided. If something doesn't quite hit the mark, you can easily go back and make adjustments, whether it's changing the text, switching voices, or tweaking those settings once more. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything sounds, you can go ahead and generate your voiceover. There will typically be an option to download your audio file, so be sure to save it somewhere you can easily find later. And there you have it. That's how to create a deep male voiceover using ElevenLabs. It's a straightforward process, but the end result can add so much professionalism and impact to your projects. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for